Hi my friends, and welcome back to our tier portal tutorial. And in today's lesson we will talk about the jump label and switch instructions. So let's start with the jump. The jump instruction is the instruction when the result of logical operation. For example, here we have some logical operation and it's returned true. This jump is activated and we switch to our third network here. And if the operation the result of logical operation is 0, we continue by this network. So let's switch to our tier portal. And here I write one tag, and now let's add our jump. Let's add it here and give name jump 2. Okay, let's write with a capital jump 2. Press enter. And again. So we have error here. Let's continue and let's make some logic at the network 2 here, and let's add the example. Let's use M1000.3 and connect it to our output 201 Q0.1. And also, my friends, let's add the network 3, and it's here. And here we must add the label. Let's add label here and give name of our jump 2. And here let's add tag. Let's use the M100.2 and output use the Q. Let me Q.2. And press enter. Now let's compile our project. So we don't have any errors and warnings. And now let's start our simulator. So my friends, our simulator is started, and let's start to simulate our logic from here. Firstly, I want to activate this one. And let's modify from here. Modify to 1. Yes, this one is activated now. So let's do it like this. Firstly, let's modify to 0 and activate this one, modify to 1. Now the jump is activated. Now let's try activate this. No, sorry my friends. Our network 2, this one. Let's activate this one, try to activate it. Now you see it's not activated because our jump instructions switch our program to network 3, and if you want to activate this one, it's possible. So let's do it again. Modify to 0, and also now let's try to activate network 2. Modify to 1. You see it's not working now. And let's modify to 0. Now let's modify this one to 0, and let's try to activate this one. Now it's working. So my friends, let's do it again, but now imagine that our network 2 is activated, and try to activate this jump. And now let's activate this one and show what happened. Now you see that it's activated, but you cannot sorry, let's do it to 0, and nothing happened because this network is blocked now, because our instruction switched to network 3. So my friends, that's all for the jump instruction, and in the next lesson we will talk about the switch and jump list instruction. And I wish you good health and good like. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.